In the lush plains of Mesopotamia, a civilization thrived, born from the fertile crescent of the Tigris and Euphrates Rivers. This was the land of Sumer, a civilization that would leave an indelible mark on the annals of human history. In the heart of Sumer, the city of Ur, a monumental structure began to rise. This was no ordinary structure, but a ziggurat, a towering temple dedicated to the god Nanna, the moon god. The ziggurat, known as the Ziggurat of Ur, was a masterpiece of ancient engineering. Its base measured 200 feet square and rose to a height of 60 feet. It was a testament to the ingenuity and ambition of the Sumerians. The ziggurat was not merely a religious structure but a symbol of power and wealth. It was the center of religious, political, and economic life in Ur. It was here that the high priest performed rituals, the king showed his might, and the merchants conducted trade. However, the ziggurat was not immune to the vicissitudes of time. As the centuries passed, the city of Ur declined. The ziggurat, once a shining beacon, was left to the mercy of the desert winds. In the 1920s, the ziggurat was rediscovered by archaeologists. They unearthed the remnants of the once glorious structure. The Ziggurat of Ur, though in ruins, still stood as a testament to the ingenuity and ambition of the Sumerians. Today, the Ziggurat of Ur stands as a UNESCO World Heritage Site, a silent witness to the rise and fall of an ancient civilization. It serves as a reminder of the past, a testament to human resilience, and a beacon of historical knowledge for generations to come. The Ziggurat of Ur, a monument to the Sumerian civilization, continues to inspire awe and wonder. Its rise and fall echo the eternal cycle of life, a testament to the impermanence of all things, yet a reminder of the indomitable spirit of humanity.